Hey guys, welcome. It's Mary. So as you can see by the pretty turquoise envelope, Tailored Expressions, we have the Quad of the Month Club. So the theme has been party. So it was like surprise party, garden party, then there was a word party and a pattern party, which I thought was kind of pattern party. I don't know. It was interesting. And one of the videos, they had said that they got all these suggestions for like tea party, pool party, Christmas party, Halloween party, Valentine's Day party, all these parties. So I was anxious to see this month, and I'm pretty stumped. You let me know in comments whether you think, if you've heard this phrase before, because this month's quad is a bird party. Now, I've never heard of a bird party. I don't even know what that would be. And of all choices for party, I think bird might be the last one I would think of. I don't know. It's just odd. But that's me. But then, you know, birds have never been on the top of my list as far as card making or, you know, anything. Yeah, I don't know. And you know, they're not, I don't know. They're interesting birds. They're not your traditional birds. I mean, this one is cute. It's kind of a little chubby bird. This one's a little busy, and I guess these are supposed to be lovebirds. So they show them in different colors. So if you're not familiar with the quad, let me explain to you. So there are 4 stencils, 3 stencils, I can't remember. Let's take them out and we'll see. And each stencil colors a quarter of the page, which, hence the word quad. All right, it's coming. So, there are 4. Of course there are 4, because it would be quad. All right, so each part, each quad is a card. So when you get your page cut properly, and you make it a little bit bigger, you make it this size, and these are your kind of measuring, so that you know you're lined up. So you use number 1, and you do, you know, all of your colors, and you can do more than one color, and then you would go to number 2 stencil, color all that in, blend it all in with your inks, and then number 3, and then number 4. So when that is all done, then you end up with the 4 different cards on one page. And then once you take it and you cut them, you've got 4 different card fronts. So it's pretty cool to be able to make all 4 cards at one time. And I love stencils, and I love being able to color with stencils. So, so this one, like I said, is a little bit interesting. If you aren't familiar, there are a couple of videos on my channel. The first one is the surprise party, and I go through and do the whole, all the stencils, the whole 4 cards. And then garden party, I do the same thing. Actually, I think I did them and then explained how I did it, the finished product. So, so that's it for this time. Now, I think I mentioned this before, that I think the quads go to the end of the year, and then something different, new, improved, wonderful, I don't know. I haven't a clue, but it's supposed to be happening in January, so we'll see. You know, I'm sticking it out because we've now had bird parties, so it's got to be all uphill from there. I'd say somewhere along the line there's got to be a Christmas party or a something party, a real party. So anyway, so let me know in comments if you've picked up any of these quads. I think you can only get the quads if you subscribe, and you can only subscribe if you subscribe like 3 months at a time. So, but let me know if you have. They also sell individual different quads on the Tailored Expression website, and you may have seen or picked those up. And if so, let me know. So that's it. August, create a quad. Bird party. Oh yeah, and let me know, have you ever heard? Have you ever heard of bird party? Maybe because, I don't know. I was gonna say maybe I don't live in the Midwest. Maybe they have bird parties. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe they were just, I don't know, searching for something, and someone said, hey, let's do birds. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. So if you can help me understand, put it in comments. So, all right, so that's it. So thanks for watching. I appreciate any time that you spend. I know everybody's lives are so busy. Summer's winding down, and we'll have a short break, and then we start winding up with the holidays. I can't believe how fast this year has gone. It's crazy that we're almost done with August already. So fast. So, all right, so that's it. So if you have not subscribed and you would like to, you can hit the subscribe button. There's a bell that you can hit, and it'll send you notifications. You can hit that like button if you like the video. That would make me very happy. It's a wonderful button to hit. You can also share and save the video if you like to do either of those. So, but leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And let me know if you've ever been to a bird party. So, all right, that's it. Create a quad, bird party. All right, so until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.